You're welcome. This is just to show you how to make a simple video for YouTube using picture and sound. So when you open your program, your FILMORA software, you go to File, then you import the media files you want to use. So the first thing I want to try and import is the beat, the sound, number one. So the next thing I want to do to import is the picture I will use. The picture I will use. So I want to import the picture that will serve as background for the sound. Okay, I think this is it. Okay, all right. So the first thing I'm going to do is to put add the sound to the project, to the timeline. So as you can see, this is about 1 hour, 1 hour 3 minutes. So then I click on stop again. Then I add this to my project line. Now this background does not match the duration of the sound. So all I need to do is to click on the picture. I'll right click on duration. Oh, before I click on duration, let me check first. From beginning to the end, this is about 1 hour, right? 1 hour 2 minutes 0.4 seconds. Okay, so let's go. We'll go here again. I click on this. I click on so 0 1 0 2. I think this is 58 0.4 according to the duration of the sound. I click OK. Let me click on stop. Let me click here to see. Yes, exactly. So that is how. So let me play it. Play from the beginning. Let me skip it. Let me skip it. So the next thing I want to do is to export my work. So let's export this. Export. So I'll name my file African praise beat loop 1. So I'm going to export it as MP4. So all I just need to do is to export. So that is all. Then you upload it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. God bless you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want more videos like this, and don't forget to drop your comments in the comment section.